morning. Been a while since I made a video in here, but we do have a few little guys coming out of the ground. There's some right there. I don't know. There's two right there. But they're little. The ones they're just coming out of the ground. So there's a few that have gotten out of the ground pretty fast, and there's some that are just peeking their heads out of the ground. So, yep. So, it's been about 2 days since I last recorded. It is a Saturday now. And I knocked this down Thursday, maybe? No. Yeah, I think Thursday I mowed this. No, not Thursday. Wednesday I mowed this. But it's got 2 inches of rain that's been rained on it. So, the top of the grass is nice and dry. But as we dig deeper, there's moisture underneath. So, see, there's some water, if you can see that. Which means not good to bale, not good to rake up. Well, we could rake it up, but then there is some chances of rain sometime today. Which the problem is just tons of scattered storms. So, we don't know. I think we're going to wait until maybe this afternoon, and then we might rake and bale some of this. But I've knocked down quite a bit of hay, and got quite a bit of rain, which is, I guess it's just gonna happen if you haven't had rain for a while and you start doing something that you don't want rain whenever you do it. You're gonna get rain. But it's good for our crops, though. 2 inches of rain is definitely good for the crops. So, I don't know what me and Aiden are gonna do now. I might mow road banks or something, I don't know. Now, it's time for some fuel. For the 4020, so it's ready to rock and roll. We're not gonna go yet, but just gonna have it ready, and we're gonna park it underneath a shade tree so Aiden's not sitting on a hot seat. Or it might be me. One or the other. This thing's getting hard to turn. They're good. Yep. It's just a 10-wheeled rake. Like the hose is right there. Right underneath there. What? Yep. All good now. And all full. Not a big fuel tank, but I didn't know how much fuel was in it either. But at least it's topped off. So he's been raking hay for about 3 years. And, well, not 3. 2. About to be 3. As soon as you kill it, remember always to turn your switch off, because if not, you run the battery dead. That's not fun. But yeah, she's ready to rock and roll. Are you ready to rock and roll?
No, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, it is. Mowing the road banks, and I just got done mowing around our shed up here on the hill. So, yep. Nice little ditch there. Took a swipe on that side too, so yeah. State does not do any of our road or gravel roads, but if it's paved, if it's a paved road, then they take care of it. So yeah, fun stuff. Well, we're gonna rake some hay. Got the camera with me, so I gotta get you some videos. Let's get to it. It's a little noisy. Well, he's baling. I'm sitting on the rake again. I rode with him on this side because I was hot and he had some things for me to... I was able to cool off and get a drink with him. So I'm gonna move on to the next field. He's got a few passes on that hillside to finish up. And yeah, I'm gonna go to the next chunk and get it ready for him. Here we go. Well, taking a little break in the shade here for a second. More odd little places I mowed this year just because of how dry it was and we're wanting to get some bales. But, yep, I'm trucking along. Dad's in another little patch that I raked up. But, yeah, nice little break here for a second. Aiden brought me water just a second ago and drank all that already. But Dad's got more in his tractor, so I'll have to wait to get more from him. So, yep. Keep on keeping on. 420 is working good, so, yep. Yeah. Last piece I had to rake today. Baler man, well, my aunt hopped in the baler for a little bit. She might be switching back to my dad to do this little patch here. But, yeah, you can hear him. I get this post out of the ground so nobody gets a flat tire from it. Yeah, I mowed over that. Normally I don't mow this, normally I just brush hog it, so that's why this is here. But I'll pull this post and then probably gonna be done for the day since it's about 6 o'clock. Been raking for about 8 hours, almost 7 to 8 hours. So yeah, my butt's sweaty. But my brother and my aunt also brought me drinks today, so I've been pretty content. I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of me raking hay today, pretty much. We did a few other things, but mainly I just raked hay today. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Well, this would be great to go to New Orleans on.
Yeah.
Watch out, suckers!
I know.
You're higher than the top you were off the ground.
Yeah, it's bigger than I thought it would be.